Daylight saving time starts today, and while you're changing your clock, you may also want to check your smoke detector. Peoria Fire Chief of Fire Prevention, Stan Taylor, says the time switch is also a reminder to change your batteries. He says batteries should be changed twice a year and the alarm should be tested every month. Taylor also says these seem like simple tasks, but often they're forgotten steps that could save your life.
They are the earliest notifier when you're sleeping that there may be a fire in the house. So we find we go to fires all the time where the batteries are out or there is no smoke alarm in the house.
Taylor says by 2023, all homeowners with smoke alarms that have removable batteries are required to install new alarms with a 10-year battery life.